Hey, this is Jimmy with Truck Builders. Today I have here a San Bernardino Winnebago. I'll be showing you a tutorial on everything, how it works and what it is. Okay, starting off here to the left, you got your 12 volts panel, anything that's connected, anything that's 12 volts. So in order to turn on everything, you want to turn on this coach battery. Once that is on, you can turn on your main 60 amps, your driver ceiling lights, your passenger ceiling lights, your mid scene lights, your rear scene lights. These are spares. To the right, you got your porch light and you got your thermostat. All right, so in the middle section, you got a few switch panels. Right here, you got your ceiling lights. The middle is off. When you turn it upwards, it shines brighter. If you turn it lower, it shines dimmer. Okay, so for the awning, you don't need to have the generator on. This comes straight from the battery bank. So all you want to do is press it on, extend, click once, and it will start extending. Okay, so in order to retract, just click the upper button and it will start retracting backwards. Down here is for your electric steps. You turn it off, so these steps will be extended outwards without having to open the door on and off and retracting back in. If you want to turn it on, push this little red lever forward and push the button back, and it's in the on position, meaning that when you open and close the door, the electric steps will retract and extend. Okay, so in order to turn on the stabilizers on this vehicle, you want to put the key inside the engine, put it on the on position. After you put the key inside the engine and put it in the on position, this little leveling panel will turn on, meaning that it's on travel mode. In order to auto level, click on this button up here and it will start so after the stabilizers have extended outwards, if you want to put them away, you got this option down here that says auto store. Press on it and hold it down and it should turn on right away. The stabilizer should start storing itself away. Okay, so on the left side, that's your automatic, your auto level, your auto store. Down here is your cancel. To the right, you got your manual. If you want to extend a specific stabilizer on the vehicle, if you want to extend it specifically, you could do that on the manual way. Retract it. Same way, auto store, and everything will should go back in. Okay, so over here in the dashboard, you got this battery boost switch. You got your on and off. So what this would do, if your battery bank is low on charge, the main battery of this vehicle will help it turn on. So all you want to do is press it at the same time and it will give charge to the battery bank, turning on the generator. To the right, you got your generator on and off. All you want to do is hold it, press it. And your generator's on. Okay, so here to the right side of the cabin, you will have your electric panel. Above, you got your 12 volts. At the bottom, you got your 110s. So this will be your main. This is your main, your outlet number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is your roof AC. This is your converter. This is your outlet number 2, 4, 6, 8. So this up here in the middle of the cabin, you got your storage cabinet. That's where your warning triangle will be at. Over here to the left, you have your safe as well as your Starlink connected to the outlet. On this side of the wall and below is your vehicle first aid kit. And as you go along the wall, you got your double chair mounted against the wall. Okay, so as we go down San Bernardino's Winnebago, you got your cabinets, you got your outlet number 1s, double door with a full of storage. Over here to the right, you got this bench chest. As we go down, you got your desk, you got your chairs, you got your storage cabinets for anything, which are outlets. Outlet number 5, outlet number 4. And on top of the desk, you have this device that lets you lock your laptop or any device to it. As we head down, we have another vent, another chest. Okay, so on the back part of the vehicle, you got this door. Once you open this door, you will be seen and greeted by a staircase. First things first, all you want to do is twist, unlock, separating it from the latch. Bring it down slowly. And it should be ready. So now to put it back, slowly bring it up. Carefully, gently. Make sure it's against the wall. Make sure that this little white latch goes back into place. That way the stairs won't have access to come out when it's on the move or on the road. On the exterior right side of the vehicle, you have 2 compartments area. And here you can put your table, anything that you like within that fitment. Over here to the right as well, you can put your chairs in the compartment. Okay, so on this left side of the vehicle, over here you got your little, on this compartment, this is all for the stabilizers. As we go down, this one is your regular, another compartment. As we head more down, on this one, over here, you got your your IntelliPower. It's your vehicle converter charger, and over here to the left, you got your automatic transfer switch. And as we head down, second to last, you got your battery bank. And on the main one, this is your Cummins generator. Over here on the first storage compartment, you got your generator. The second one is your power bank. The generator charges your batteries, as well as on this third storage, you have your shore power, which is this cable that you connect to a building if you don't have a generator, or if you just want to connect straight to a building. Over here, you got your gasoline hubcap. This is where you want to put in fuel for the generator and for the engine. So everything will go easily from here on out.